As you guys can see, I'm currently in Copacabana, and I want to share with you guys one of my experiences here in Brazil. Let's quickly touch on the language barrier in some areas. It is possible to get by knowing English and Spanish in tourist areas. However, I do want to point out, if you come to Brazil and you don't learn the basics, your experience will vary. Drastically, perhaps not. It's a dream to be here in Copacabana. I normally watch YouTube videos of people here walking by, but now physically I'm here and I'm able to see, experience what I see on YouTube, and check out the scenery here. It's amazing. I think I'm gonna stop here. I've walked a pretty good distance. Check this out. I do want to say, if you know a little bit of Spanish, you'll get passed by, you'll be fine. But it is going to be difficult to connect with the locals. Brazil is the only country in South America that doesn't speak Spanish, only its surrounding countries. Personally, I refrain from speaking Spanish with the locals unless they prefer to speak Spanish, and it has happened once I mention my origin. But 100% of the time, I speak with them in Portuguese. I'm not fluent or a native speaker, but at least I try. If you only speak English, good luck to you. You'll have an amazing time. Now, if you want to come to Brazil, have an average time, an experience, then you do you, boo. Yes, there's translations apps out there that can help you out to a certain point, but that's a different story for a different day. But if you're like me that likes to immerse in different cultures, music, then I highly recommend learning the basics. It will make your trip much more unforgettable and enjoyable. Although I'm not a native or fluent in Portuguese, with knowing more than the basics, you'll be more than fine.